Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's hashtag plan fun get things done. Each and every week I plan out what I need to do and I do my utmost to get it done. It's hosted by myself, Crafty Girl Chronicles, and it's a way that I plan out all the things that I've got to do for the week, and I do try to get them done. I don't stress if I don't get everything done. I always spread it over time, by maybe days, weeks and even months, but I always find time to have some fun and take some precious time out for myself. You need time for yourself, for your body, mind and soul. You really do. So I always find time to listen to music, my favourite podcast. I am doing a dance routine that I enjoy immensely. I take a nap if I want to. I just do things that I really, really want to do. I go to have a pedicure regularly. I'm trying to work on maybe a massage, maybe every quarter or every half. I really want to see if I can incorporate that and try and get a budget going for that. I tend to stress myself out if I feel like I'm not pushing myself enough, but on a whole I do not stress myself out. I just plan out what I've got to do, my errands, chores, tasks, to-dos, appointments, and I try my best to get them done. If it's something that you're interested in and you'd like to try, all you have to do is, because what I first did was list everything that needs doing, and I did tweak it now and again. I'd always go back to that list and add or omit what is necessary, but I would make a list of all the things I've got to do, and then once I've done that I would start planning my weeks. Once I've planned my weeks, then I upload it, and then I just hashtag plan fun get things done. And also, if you are interested, you could also tag me at Crafty Girl Chronicles. So it's easy as that. And believe you me, I have to plan. If I don't plan, I get lost in the system and I don't want to get lost in the system. And I find when I do plan, I really, really, really genuinely have time to do things that I really want to do. That is it. I am planning for this month, August, let's have a look, the 18th, I think, 18th today. Up until Sunday the 24th, and as usual I have my compulsory clean every week. I do all the beds, I bleach the kitchen, bathroom and toilet, and I hoover everywhere. I do my budgeting as well. This week I've got to go to the post office later on this afternoon. Monday, Wednesday and Friday I wash and dry all my clothes, and Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I fold and pack away the clothes that I've washed and dried the previous day, just so I don't feel overwhelmed with so much clothes going on in my eyesight and in my brain. So that's what I do. On a Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday I walk, but Wednesday I have a double walk session, because those days I walk with the dog, and then sometimes he doesn't want to go as far as I want to go, so I bring him back home and I go and finish off my walk. That's what I do. But Wednesday I have a double because I attend a walking group with a few ladies, so I get that done as well. On Thursday I have movie night, and I decided to perhaps incorporate a bit of gardening this week. Also Friday as well, I've added it there, because for my zone 1 this week I follow the Fly Lady, the zone cleaning system. I haven't got a lot on. I've got the kitchen hood to do the backsplashes, the kitchen cupboard doors, the utensil drawer, and the food cupboards. I want to see I check the dates on stuff, and you know how it is. So that's not a lot. So I could actually incorporate a bit of gardening on Thursday and Friday. It's not set in stone. Everything is subject to change. But I just jot these things down, especially when my zone system is pretty light. And as far as I can see that it is very light for me. I also want to incorporate a little bit of ironing, maybe 20 minutes. So that's what I do. So I can decide if I want to iron or do a bit of gardening. So if I put iron there, ironing, I can decide, because then I have Friday that I can do a bit of gardening. So that's, you know, it's nice to just juggle things around. And my list, my zone list, I can just decide what day I want to do what chores, because I do spread it over the days. I don't do everything in one day, no way. Because I won't have time for myself. I want to sit down and just close my eyes for 30 minutes and listen to a podcast or my favorite music, something on my playlist. So that's why I just do it like that. And also I don't want to get bored if I list the days of chores and I wake up in the morning and I look on the list and I think I don't fancy doing that today. So I just pick and choose on the days what I want to do, and it works perfect for me. So Friday I may do a bit of gardening. I am really enjoying the holidays, the weather, and also I've been spending time out in the garden, and I've had some renovations going on in the house, so I'm still catching up with bits and pieces. So there won't be a day out in London for a while, a day out of London for a while. Maybe autumn, that would be nice to get out in the autumn. And some winter nights are absolutely amazing, and I do like walking in the winter sometimes. I'm not a fan of winter. I do prefer spring and summer, but the fresh air in the winter, autumn and winter, is amazing. I do like that. So anyways, so that is that. So I can incorporate the gardening on the Friday then, and Saturday I do mostly crafting on a Saturday, and I stick to that. I did decide to add Saturday for an extra walk because I just felt like I wasn't getting enough in, but I feel that it's working out for me. Sunday, no church, holiday with the family. We do link up. On a Wednesday and Sunday, I have a foot soak after my walk on Wednesday, and after church I usually have a foot soak, but I will be having my foot soak. I really will be. Thursday, have movie night, and I'll be having snacks. I'm having pizza, homemade pizza, and I'm going to treat myself to, oh my goodness, a cupcake, or maybe 2 scoops of ice cream, chocolate ice cream. I think I'll be doing that. I have to plan because I'll be all over the place if I don't plan. Tell me if you like my spread this week. I used these 2 washi tapes. I found this packet of stickers that I've had for so long, so I just thought let me use some of them. And also my trusted memory keeping happy planner sticker book, and also the tiny. So that's what I've done. That's what I used this week, and I quite like it. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.